At 5 Speed Auto, we're a full-service auto shop. We do all kinds of vehicles, domestic, European, any kind. We got all the latest diagnostic equipment. And we do the whole services, repairs, all kinds of repairs, body, paint, mechanical, tires, whatever your car needs. Our oil change comes with the free tire rotation, top-off fluids, and it's only $15.95. We also sell tires and wheels. We just do the best job, best quality parts, reasonable prices, and keep you happy all the time. And of course, warranties come with it. We name it 5 Speed Auto because we're quick, just in and out. Come and check it out, you will see it. We do high quality service for low prices. Please come to 5 Speed Auto and we'll take care of all your automotive needs.